Hi, I'm Wasim Akram. Are you ready to take your data analysis skill to the next level? Unlock the power of Excel and transform your data analysis skill. In this comprehensive course, you will learn with more effective tools for cleaning and transforming text data function. Welcome to Excel Fundamentals for Data Analysis from Beginner to Pro. Learning objectives of this course: use Excel tools, formulas and functions to clean and prepare data for analysis. And second, use name, range and tables to automate your analysis. And third, we will learn understand the different types of data in Excel and use appropriate functions to work with them. In last, use logical and lookup functions to transform and categorize data. In module 1, in which you learn cleaning and manipulating text. This module divided into three parts. In part 1, applying a range of text functions to manipulate and restructure data. In part 2, solve issues of removing and replacing unwanted characters. In part 3, develop confidence working with advanced formula, techniques, and nested function. In module 2, you will learn dates function, working with numbers and dates. This module divided into three parts. One part, understand how dates work in Excel. In part 2, apply a range of functions for converting data to different data types. In part 3, formulate calculation using more advanced date functions. In module 3, define names for working more effectively with data. Number 1. This module also divided in three parts. In first part, you will understand what name ranges are and their advantages. Number part 2, demonstrate a range of methods for creating name range. In part 3, modify workbooks to use name range. In module 4, you will learn tables for automating data manipulation. This module also divided into three parts: understanding the tables are and the advantage of the using them. You will learn about tables, how to create and what is the advantage of the tables. In part 2, know how to convert a range of a table and work effectively with the tables. What is the importance of the table, you will understand in this part. And the last third, recognize and use structure references. In module 5, this module belong and focus on logical and lookup functions. In part 1, apply logical functions to correct or transform data. In part 2, apply a range of logical functions to automate performing different operations under different circumstances. In part 3, understand how lookup functions can be used to categorize data. Module 5, last and final, fourth part, in which you will learn solve a variety of problems using lookup functions to match data from different sources.